We'll guide you through how to turn off safe mode. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Perhaps you went and put the device into safe mode, or you found it in it, and now you want to go and get out of it. As you're going to find, in safe mode, apps are disabled, specifically third-party apps. If I go and swipe up, you'll go and see loads are disabled. So with this on, you can't go and fully utilize your device. However, if you are running into problems, then safe mode is really convenient, as it will go and allow you to hopefully go and troubleshoot and go and remove apps causing you problems, etc. But for now, we're going to be turning it off. Now, there are different ways you can go about this, so make sure it's full guide, and you can then decide what method is going to work best for you in order to go and get out of safe mode. So just go and get right into this. What you want to do is go and swipe up, and to get started, you want to go and find the option for settings like so. Come into here. Now you want to go and scroll down, and you're going to go and find the option for act stability. You want to go and tap on it. Then you want to go and find the option for interaction and dexterity. And you want to go and switch on assistant menu like so. Go and press allow. You then go and get this button on your device very shortly, as you can see this here. So what you can do here is go and tap on it. And then you want to go and use the arrows to go to the right, and you want to find power off menu. So what you can then do is go and press restart, confirm your decision. And by restarting your phone, that will go and get out of safe mode and go and turn it off. So that's the first way. Alternatively, if you want to go and use the side button, you can tap and hold it. Then what you can do is go and press restart like so. And if you want to go and restart it without going and pressing anything on the screen, you can go and try pressing down the side button and then the volume down button. Keep them held down together like so, and then eventually, if you keep them down long enough, it'll go and perform a restart. The screen will go and turn off, and it will come back on. And another way you can go about it, now in some cases it doesn't always apply, is you want to go and check your notifications. So you can drag down, and in some cases you're going to go and receive a notification here saying phone is in safe mode, and you can then tap on it and tap on it again, and you can then go and perform a restart. You'll get a restart button at the bottom, and you'll then be able to go and get out of safe mode by using that notification. But you can see in this case, I haven't actually had it, but in some cases you do, and you can press that there to get out of it. I've gone and started the restart process. So when it restarts, you'll go and see we're out of safe mode. When it comes back on, you'll go and see we're no longer in safe mode. Leave a like if you found this useful.